Now this is sample of a mixing machine or atta kneading machine. This comes under one practical, that is study of any one home appliance, and list was a study of microwave oven or mixing machine or vacuum cleaner. So we have arranged this Chinese make atta kneading machine. Now this is for atta kneading, and unfortunately or fortunately this is a defective piece, and I will diagnose the fault of this, and you will get to learn more from this non-working model. Now I will start this machine and I will tell you the fault. Now here this is nicely designed but poorly constructed. Otherwise the design is very good. You can see here everywhere lock system is there. If lid is not in proper position, here there was a one lever which goes inside this and operates one micro switch. So if this is not properly placed, this mixing machine will not start, and same applies to this container also. If this is not placed in its proper place or not locked properly, micro switch will not get started and mixing machine will not work. But you can see here that lock is broken. As a result, mixing machine will not work. So I have bypassed all such micro switches inside this. Now here fault is this, that without load if I turn this will work, right? When I turn this and see, now I will play this and see, without now, right now there is no load or no atta to be needed by this churner. So right now this is no load condition. When I operate, this is very much operating. You can see this. But when I put load on this is not working. Fault I will tell you, or I will diagnose the fault. Suppose I remove this. Now see, this is moving, or appears to be moving. Now if I hold this tight and if I switch on, though machine is moving but this is not moving, that means this is not able to take the load, or this is not producing sufficient torque, right? So now I will open this and we will diagnose this. Now first we will show you some of the parts or inside construction of this, just as this atta kneading processor. So this is that blade which kneads your atta, right? So this is here, and inside this that lever is making contact, right? Now if I talk about the internal construction, now here you can see here the construction of this is something like a timing belt. Now this is driven, this is driver, motor is here. Now when we knead the atta, so at that time this churner should not run very fast, right? As such there is no need to turn this very fast. That is why here driven is a much bigger gear and driver is smaller gear, and in this there are 8 teeth and here there are 64 teeth, so almost 1:8 ratio. And when I run this is a 2-pole motor, AC universal motor, so this will run at 3000 rpm. Now if you divide 3000 by that ratio, here hardly 45 or 46 turns you will get, rotations per minute. That means this churner will rotate with 60 or 45 or 46 rotations per minute, which is sufficient to knead the atta, right? So that way this works, and that is why here we need to reduce the RPM, and as we reduce the RPM, so proportionally torque will increase. If I reduce by 8 times RPM, so torque here will increase by 8 times. So here I have sufficient torque to run this rotor or churner which will knead the atta, right now as I showed you here, when no load, this is moving or that lever is moving, and when I put load some here, this is not kneading or churning the atta. Reason is inside this there is a arrangement, or a driven shaft is a flat shaft, right, on which this is fixed. So inside this where that flat shaft is engaging, there inside this, because of some cracks have developed here, and inside that there is a complete something like a hole. So when on load this is moving, right, and ATA is not being needed by this, so we need to replace this. Fault here is that this has given away. Inside this flat shaft has turned completely. As a result, inside there is a complete round hole. So in that hole, shaft is moving, and as a result this is not moving on load. So this is fault. We need to replace this, or we need to repair this, right. Now inside this, if I talk about the internal arrangement, this is very simple. From inside, or construction is very simple. One motor, and this is control switch or a speed control switch, where 4 or 5 speeds are shown. So here this is connected to this PCB, where one thyristor is there. Thyristor is used to control the angle of firing in AC voltage. So with this, when you increase the speed, we are changing the firing angle. As a result, speed of this motor is increasing. And yes, in this motor, when suppose this motor is overloaded for long time, or continuous operation for this mixing machine recommended is 25 to 30 minutes. Now if you use this machine for more than 30 minutes, let us say 40 or 45 minutes, it is possible that this motor may get heated up, and this may draw more current. So just from production point of view, there is a one thermostat switch at the bottom of this. One switch is provided. Well, they have not provided the thermostat switch, though provision was there here. So if you look at your mixing machine at your place, there will be a one black switch which comes out from the body, right. Now in case of overload or thermal shutdown, that switch will come out totally, and as a result mixing machine will not work. In such case, you will take your mixing machine to repairer कि ये काम नहीं करता है, करके दो. He will simply push that overload switch and will charge you 200 rupees, right. So try to learn this in every mixing machine. This is Chinese, so they have not given that production here. Otherwise, at bottom there is always one switch, overload switch or thermostat switch, which will come out totally when this is overloaded or overheated, right. So simply let this machine cool down for 10 or 15 minutes, and after that you simply press that switch in, and everything will be set and machine will start working. Don't bring that machine to repairer for repairing, right. They will charge you 200 or maybe 500 rupees in some case. So this is inside construction of this. And if I talk about this timing belt, here no question of slipping of this pulley. This will not slip. That is slipping, right. This will not slip under load because of this serrated or timing belt. This belt is much costlier than normal belts, right. So, and this has a long life, and nylon threaded braid, this thing rubber belt is there. So here they have used timing belt here just to reduce the speed and increase the torque. Otherwise nothing much engineering inside this. So this is one of the very useful and commonly used home appliance in our kitchen, right. So itna aana chahiye. Being engineer, you should be aware of such basic facts related to your home appliances. And here definitely I will do something because this is Chinese, so I am doubtful whether I will get this piece new from the market. If not, then I will open this and I will put some epoxy, or I will do something so that this starts working. So this was fourth practical study of any one home appliance. Thank you.